The Safetots Original Fire Guard is a two-section fire guard. It's adjustable in width and will run from 84.5 centimetres to 155 centimetres. When you take the fire guard out of the box, there'll be two sections, a left section and a right section. You'll get a pack of fitting and some instructions. We recommend the use of a screwdriver to help join the two panels together. Following the instructions, the two separate sections will come joined together. So the first thing you do is just snip off the cable tie top and bottom to release the sections. The first thing we do is we put together the left hand side. We do this by pulling out to 90 degrees, flipping over the top and just pushing the clips in place over the top of the fire guard. We'll repeat this process with the right hand section. Once we do this, we'll have our fire guard two sections put together. We will overlap the two sections and then we'll adjust them to get them to a desired width. To position it around your fireplace. In this instance, I'll just adjust it to here. You'll see that what we do to enable us to do the next section easily is just line the wires up, because this is where our joining clips are going to go. To secure the left and right hand assemblies, we use one of the clips here and one of the clips at the bottom. We start by removing the screw and then we have the two parts. First of all, we'll go to the fire guard and we'll place the smaller part around two wide sections, then the top part on top. Now we line up the screw through the bottom hole, give it a couple of turns so it catches, and then we'll finish using a Phillips screwdriver to tighten up the clip to hold the fire surround in place. We'll complete this process by securing the other three clips, one on the other side, and then two at the bottom, one here and one here.